Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Arabic Phone Repair Master. Today I brought you Samsung A02. This phone is locked FRP. So we are going to bypass it using A02 in download mode. So just be with us. As you can see here, there's no skip option. The phone is locked and we are trying to connect Wi-Fi and see. Let's connect Wi-Fi or hotspot with your phone. After connecting it, let's click next. Don't forget our videos is for education purpose, nothing else. And see the results. Here we go. As you can see, there's a password, there's a pin. So we are going to connect with unlock 2. You have to turn off your phone and press the volume buttons and plug the cable together. Volume up button. Now is in download mode. Then you have to click where is written Samsung and click Ordini mode. When you click Ordin mode or download mode, then you click remove FRP and the phone is going to wipe FRP. Check the results. It's off and it's going to turn on again and off again. Here is done. The phone now is done. As you can see, it's reporting. So we are going to set up offline. This is it. Please check it well when you are setting up everything.
Hey, you've been avoiding me.
Here we go.
I just need some time now. I know, but you don't have to show.
Everything is done. Thank you for watching. Follow us on Facebook, Arabic TV.